Hello and welcome. In today's video, we look at how to integrate jumping back, jumping forwards in our sun salutations and in our vinyasa practice. So if you are new to jumping, you should know that there are two options. You could jump into a plank position, you could jump into a chaturanga, and both of them are okay to do as long as you do them skillfully. So let's look at jumping back into plank first, which is going to be an option for you if you don't have yet a full strong chaturanga practice, but you need to lower your knees down to keep good form. So let's look at that. So first, I'm going to give you two demonstrations, and then we'll do a couple of rounds together if you want. We start in Tadasana. Inhale the arms overhead. Exhale, fold forwards. We lift halfway, inhale. And then as we prepare to jump, we want the hands firmly planted into the floor, about shoulder distance or even a little bit wider. We bend the knees, we look forwards. Now, we want to feel that we're shifting the body weight into the hands. We might even lift our heels a little bit, our hips are low, and then from here we jump back into a plank position. Now, of course, you have a good strong form in your plank, you lower the knees, you bend the elbows, half chaturanga. Cobra pose, inhale. Down dog, exhale. Now, from here, let's hold it for one inhale and one exhale. Look forward, step your right foot between the hands, the left foot between the hands. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale and fold forwards. On the inhale, up to standing. Tadasana, exhale. If you already have a good chaturanga practice, let's look at how you can jump straight into a chaturanga. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, fold forwards and down. Lift and lengthen, inhale. Again, same setup. Hands pressed firmly into the floor, we look forwards. Now, our knees are bent. We're going to soften our elbows a little bit and hop back with the elbows bent. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. For now, one inhale, one exhale. Left foot forwards, right foot forwards, we step. Lift and lengthen, inhale. Fold completely, exhale. Up to standing, inhale. Tadasana, exhale. So we can jump to plank and then drop the knees if we're working with a modified chaturanga. We can jump straight into chaturanga if we have good form and we can sustain that form as we hop back. Now, if we're looking at jumping forwards, let's see how from our downward dog we can jump forwards in a skillful way. So if we do this just from our downward dog, and then we'll put it together and do some practice, we bend the knees and look forwards. Now, our hands again, super important. They're going to support your pose for that moment of floating when your feet are off the ground. So hands, fingers spreading, pressing down through the finger pads, and then your knees are bent. You're lifting your lower abdomen, you're looking forwards between your hands or even a little bit further forwards. Now, don't jump yet, but just bend the knees and extend them just to prepare. And then we hop and we aim to land lightly, making no sound. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Exhale and fold. Inhale, up to standing. And exhale, Tadasana. So let's do a few rounds together. We'll do a round where we land in plank and a round where we land in chaturanga. I'll give you some instructions, so if you want to join me on the mat, let's give it a go. Starting in Tadasana. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, fold Uttanasana. Ardha Uttanasana, lift and lengthen. Hands to the mat. Into plank, we jump. Hopping into plank is fine. Hold it there, inhale. Knees down, bend the elbows, exhale. Cobra, inhale. Down dog, exhale. A breath in. Full breath out. Prepare to jump forwards. Bend the knees and look forwards. Hop, lightly making no sound. Trust your hands, they are supporting you. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Fold and exhale. Up to standing, inhale. Tadasana, exhale. Now jumping into chaturanga. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold forwards and down. Inhale, lift and lengthen. Hands to the mat, shift the body weight forwards, press the palms, press the fingers down. As you land, your elbows are bent. Your chest stays forwards. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, down dog. Exhale, stay. Feel the hands, press them down. Almost as if you wanted to squeeze the floor, activate your fingers. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, lift your hips, lift your lower belly as you hop forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, all the way down. Up to standing, inhale. Tadasana, exhale. Right, take a seat. So for today, this is all I wanted to share with you. Jumping forwards, jumping back. Practice doing it at home, out of a yoga practice, out of a complete flow, so that you have the time to refine how you move forwards, how to move back. And then once you are into a full class, into a full flow, you have that skill and you can apply it. Now remember that you want to use your energy well throughout a yoga class. So if at some point you feel like jumping gets just a little bit too much and you don't have the energy to do it well, please don't do it. Just go back to stepping back instead and save your energy. So you might do actually one vinyasa where you jump and one where you step. And maybe that's how you do your practice, because you know that you want to use your energy well throughout the class, so that you don't get to halfway down the class and you are like completely depleted of your energy and then your form is compromised. So make sure that you use your energy well, make sure that you little by little integrate this jumping into your practice on days when you have more energy or when you want a more power class, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, maybe share it with some friends, and I will see you again soon.